In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you need to sign a contract, a form, or any document that requires your signature, Adobe Acrobat makes it straightforward and efficient to do so. Let's dive right into the steps and guide you through the process seamlessly. First, start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your device. Once the application is open, you'll find yourself on the homepage. From here, you can either select an existing file you've worked on previously or create a new file if you haven't yet prepared the document you'd like to sign. Navigating to an already existing file may save you a little time if your document is ready to go. Next, from the home page, you'll want to proceed to the Tools section. This area is your go-to for many of Adobe Acrobat's advanced functionalities that really help elevate your document management experience. Among the vast options available, look for eSign, which is specifically designed for electronic signatures. This tool is crucial as it ensures that your signature is legally binding and easily integrated into your document. After accessing the eSign tool, the next step is to select Add Signature. This feature allows you to create a fresh signature if you haven't previously added one, or choose from a saved signature if you have. The Add Signature button is intuitively placed and will guide you to the next phase where you can personalize your signature according to your preference. Once you've clicked on Add Signature, you'll be given several options. For our purposes today, we'll focus on the Draw option. With this option, you can personally create your signature using a touchscreen, trackpad, or mouse. This act of drawing gives a personalized touch to your signature, mimicking the real-life signing experience as closely as possible. Take your time to ensure that your signature looks the way you want it to, because this is what will appear on your document. After crafting your perfect signature, it's time to save your work. Saving ensures that your newly added signature is securely embedded in your document, ready for dispatch or archiving. You can usually find the Save option at the top or bottom of your application screen. It's always a good practice to double-check that your signature appears as intended after you hit Save to confirm that everything looks professional. And there you have it. You've successfully added a signature to your Adobe Acrobat document. By following these steps, you ensure that your document signing process is not only swift and efficient, but also matches the professionalism required in today's digital world. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for all your document management needs.